Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this Transit Connect. So if we go to iTunes, click on a tune, you see there at the bottom, red triangle with 3 red circles, it says sync. That's the audio system in here. If it's not showing for any reason, just click on the red triangle and 3 red circles and just see if sync's listed. So there we go, it's sync. We'll go back there, I'll turn this down, click play. Then we go over to the radio, click auxiliary, and it's now I'll just click auxiliary again because if your phone doesn't show up straight away and it comes to play music from device, that can be line in, auxiliary line in. So just click auxiliary again, connect USB device, click auxiliary again. There she goes. That's the one that's playing. I'll turn that up. Now I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But if I turn that up, there you go. That's it playing through the system. That's how you do that.